Mastering system administration. The organization's survival hinges on its ability to maintain operational critical systems amidst disruptions. How does the organization implement and maintain its business continuity and disaster recovery strategies to ensure its critical systems, applications, and services remain operational and available in the event of disruption or failure, thereby minimizing impact on its customers and stakeholders? To ensure the continuous availability of critical systems, applications, and services, the organization should implement and maintain a comprehensive business continuity and disaster recovery strategy. This strategy should be developed and regularly reviewed to ensure its effectiveness in minimizing the impact of disruptions or failures on customers and stakeholders. Business continuity planning. 1. Risk assessment. Conduct a thorough risk assessment to identify potential threats, vulnerabilities, and impacts on the organization's critical systems, applications, and services. 2. Business impact analysis, BIA. Perform a BIA to identify critical processes, system dependencies, and recovery time objectives, RTOs, and recovery point objectives, RPOs, for each system and application. 3. Business continuity policy. Develop and disseminate a business continuity policy that outlines the organization's commitment to maintaining business continuity and ensuring the availability of critical systems, applications, and services. Disaster recovery strategy. 1. Disaster recovery plan, DRP. Develop a comprehensive DRP that outlines the procedures and protocols for restoring critical systems, applications, and services in the event of a disaster or disruption. 2. System and application backup and recovery. Implement a regular backup and recovery process for all critical systems, applications, and data to ensure timely recovery in the event of a disaster or disruption. 3. Disaster recovery site. Establish a disaster recovery site or secondary location to ensure continued operations in the event of a disaster or disruption at the primary site. 4. Disaster recovery team. Identify and train a disaster recovery team responsible for executing the DRP in the event of a disaster or disruption. Implementation and maintenance. 1. Training and awareness. Provide regular training and awareness programs for employees and stakeholders on the business continuity and disaster recovery strategies, policies, and procedures. 2. Testing and exercises. Conduct regular testing and exercises to validate the effectiveness of the business continuity and disaster recovery strategies, identify areas for improvement, and update the plans accordingly. 3. Change management. Establish a change management process to ensure that changes to critical systems, applications, and services are documented, approved, and implemented in accordance with the business continuity and disaster recovery strategies. 4. Vendor management. Ensure that vendors and third-party providers have their own business continuity and disaster recovery strategies in place and are aligned with the organization's strategies. 5. Continuous improvement. Regularly review and update the business continuity and disaster recovery strategies to ensure they remain effective and aligned with the organization's goals and objectives. Monitoring and review. 1. Performance metrics. Establish performance metrics to measure the effectiveness of the business continuity and disaster recovery strategies, including RTOs, RPOs, and system uptime. 2. Incident management. Implement an incident management process to quickly respond to disruptions or failures, and to restore critical systems, applications, and services as quickly as possible. 3. Post-incident review. Conduct a post-incident review to identify root causes, document lessons learned, and update the business continuity and disaster recovery strategies accordingly. 4. Audit and compliance. Regularly review and audit the business continuity and disaster recovery strategies to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, industry standards, and best practices. By implementing and maintaining a comprehensive business continuity and disaster recovery strategy, The organization can minimize the impact of disruptions or failures on its customers and stakeholders, ensuring the continuous availability of critical systems, applications, and services.